Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Nomination form was received proposing the name of Shri Rohit Monserrate. No other candidate had filed for the said post and no withdrawals took place within the stipulated time. Still, compliant procedure asking whether you want to withdraw. Since the candidate has signed the nomination form himself and there is no other candidate to pay, I declare Shri Rohit Monserrate duly elected unopposed as the mayor of the corporation city of Konkani. Election of deputy mayor. Here also, we have received only one nomination form proposing the name of Shri Agshikar. No other candidate has filed for the said post. As a matter of procedure, I will ask Mr. Agshikar if he wants to withdraw. Since there is no other candidate to pay, I declare Shri Agshikar elected on the post as deputy mayor of the corporation city of Konkani.